Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation related to Bityard versus Bitmex comparison video related to the products, opportunities, features and everything you need to know about these two exchanges out there that are competing on the market. This is Scramble from Emotions Crypto Trading and I'm happy to share with you the best product out there. So we're going to have a quick introduction into services and so forth and then dive into the comparison. Both are utilizing and giving people the ability to go with margin trading, which means that you can put leverage, and on the leverage, you can definitely have your amount of money multiplied to the number of leverage you are selecting within your account, which is awesome from both of these services and very nice that Bityard has a sort of a way smooth dashboard application with a trading experience that is very familiar to the user. So we're going to take it step by step. We have safe two-factor authentication, completely anonymous trades, multiple offline signature, cold storage of assets, real-time risk audit, full refund warranty, limited risk with the potential for infinite profit. This one with a full refund warranty, it is very important, guys, because you definitely need to know where you're going to put your money. While talking about Bitmex, which is obviously the website we're sharing right now, had some problems in the past, and I'm walking through right now some news that were telling us Bitmex briefly goes offline amid legal problems, and this was back in May 19, 2020. Trading giant Bitmex briefly went offline just 3 days after being hit with a massive lawsuit, citing a trading engine error, right? So we're talking about serious problems within the Bitmex area of the trading engine, which has a massive issue that obviously reached in a lawsuit against them. This guy's right here has recent legal problems in US because having a lot of the difficulties on their trading dashboard and experience to people. So it's, something you definitely have to consider. While on the other side, a major Bitcoin exchange has a massive problem. Other news magazines are talking about they have been mentioned on the technical issues that their platform is having, and you can definitely read about Google by saying Bitmex problems. You will be able to find every single article out there, which is nothing around Bityard right now. It is easy and friendly to use to surf around. It is fast, which is not really happening at Bitmex. Fast. Are you guys familiar with the problems of Bitmex that their servers are overloading when people want to trade? Are you familiar that your trades are not getting executed from this factor because their servers are going overloaded and they're not executing people's signals? And that is a big problem because you cannot do your trades this way, guys. Therefore, you need a platform which is acting fast, and users can flexibly choose between 10x to 100x leverage with 1 million transactions per second. This is what we're talking about. With an outreach to 150 countries at the moment, Bityard is entering the market very nicely. They have live chat support as well. They are a strong company out there with regulation and licensing, out of which we don't have too much information related to Bitmex regulations, which have no issues around United States, Singapore, Estonia, or Australia. We have 4 regulations for Bityard right now, which are something that you can study by yourself with the authentication with the documents issued from the official institutes. So, it is at a very serious and high level. Just like you can see it right here, you have all the documents from the financial departments. Something we have to search very deep, that I found that Bitmex is from Seychelles and it does not have many sort of a way needs that would give out security to people in comparison with Bityard at the moment. It is very easy to get started. Well, just download, register, deposit, and trade on the mobile app, which is functioning very nicely on all the type of mobile devices out there. With a very powerful outreach on the community side, Bityard is also running an amazing sort of a way promotional program, something we cannot find into Bitmex. The promotion is mentioned right here on the left side. It's 258U Bityard promotion. You click on it and then you get to the bonus page. So in the bonus page here we have beginner rewards. $1 USDT by setting your username. $1 USDT by bin mobile phone or email. $2 USDT conduct a demo trade once. Right, so you can already make there some money, $4 just like that out of nowhere, earning for free. You also have other bonuses such as the trading bonus. $2 conduct a live trade once. $8 surpass 10,000 in trading volume. $18 surpass 50,000 in trading volume. $38 surpass 200,000. $188 surpass 1 million. And then they will also have the trading mining on the Bityard token. Other bonuses are pretty much announced on this page whenever they come out, whenever they play out. You will be able to pretty much collect your bonus. You just have to do the task, put your username, and then collect your bonus by coming back to this page, collecting your bonus, and you get your 1 USDT within your account that you can do anything you want with it. Bitmex does not have such a sort of a way bonuses. Bityard is having welcome bonuses as well. Bitmex is not giving anything away to people. Bitmex is giving 10% discount on trading fees, which is something Bityard is covering as well. When you reach to have high tradings in your account, trading fees will apply to you as well in a discounted way, which is very nice. On the other side, some other features and benefits that you can have as an opportunity is the daily mining, which is right here on Bityard. Now, this daily mining is an activity which is for everyone out there for free. You just push this button out there after you connect your mobile phone to the platform. You just push this mining button and you're going to receive, for every single token you see here listed, a free mining at every single day. You're going to receive an amount for free, guys. And that is awesome because they have this program that they're pushing, and your mining assets will be calculated into USDT. So you can simply transfer your mining assets into USDT trading dashboard by clicking on this transfer. After you mine for a couple of days, let's say you mine for a week, right? So for 1 week, you keep mining every single day, and then you want to put your funds into the trading account because you have got some good amount, which is nice for free. You pretty much transfer your funds into your account and you're good to go to trade with it. And the good part is everything is translated into USDT, guys. So that is awesome because it keeps it very, very simple. There's the gift money rules as well, which are mentioned over here. We have the fees that are explained on the page. Transaction fee for opening position. We have opening and closing at 0.05%. Bityard trading fee has been adjusted from 0.075 to 0.05, and the formula has been changed. That's one way to consider it. There's other overnight fees as well. The formula for the overnight fee is mentioned right here. It's 0.045% multiplied by leverage in days. For the position being held for less than 12 hours, the overnight fee will be waived. For the position being held for more than 12 hours and close after SGT 555, the overnight fee will be charged. Right, so you definitely need to know about this ones as well. Going back to the page, you have a very nicely explained frequently asked question page, which helps you to understand what is leverage, what is margin, what is a blockchain, the transaction fee, the bid and ask. So this beginner's question and answer section helps a lot of the people to get familiar with the business, as well as how does Bityard make money, where does Bityard income come from, and is Bityard a perpetual contract. All these things are helping us to understand what kind of business are we affiliating and getting each other, right? So we've got these things very nicely mentioned. On top of that, you have the affiliate program as well, which gives you 60% commission. So you can promote Bityard because you can earn up to 60% commission on all trading fees. You have professional one-on-one assistance from our business department, real-time settlement, data transparency by utilizing the link that you're receiving from the platform once you sign up. And feel free to use the link located in the description area to sign up to Bityard and get your trading experience going on. Now, when you surpass 100 referrals, you will be upgraded to a diamond package. Want to receive more? You can, basically negotiate your commissions and so forth. But we've got here some sort of representations depending on your sort of performance of the affiliate. You can also drop them an email if you have any sort of questions related to the support of live chat. And then of course the trading experience, guys. So if we go into the trading space, we see that there is a trading offer that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possibilities to trade on margin, while Bitmex has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products out there that you can trade. So definitely here the offer is way larger and the possibilities are positive for Bityard, better in this scenario. Now you got this technical analysis line as well, where you can pretty much find out more on how the market is moving. You can sort of go even with the candlesticks. But these things I'm going to explain to you within the next video presentation, where I'm going to dive into details of every single thing you need to know about the internal side of Bityard, which is right now dominating the space, and it's gaining a lot of the momentum in comparison with Bitmex. Well, like I said, Bityard has promotions, daily minings, affiliate bonuses that are higher, welcome bonuses. So there is an incentive to do this. They have a very nice platform with demo. You get $100,000 demo if you want to test out the platform. It's also suggested by them to do it. You get this very nice margin, the way it looks like and works out. So, this is pretty neat and pretty worth to take a look at it, guys. So make sure you check out the website and sign up from the link located in the description area, guys. Have a beautiful day out there. Subscribe to my channel and keep in touch, because we're going to have one more video related to Bityard where I'm going to explain you how to sign up, how to trade, how to get started, how to put leverage, and how to get this thing going on step by step. So stick with me, guys. We'll talk to you soon and have a beautiful day.